So good morning everyone. We are doing exercise 11.3 and in that we are doing the last question, that is for the solution. Okay, so what is that? If A, B, C are positive real numbers such that A plus B minus C by C is equals to A minus B plus C by B is equals to minus A plus B plus C by A. Find the value of A plus B plus C into C plus A by A, B, C. So here they have given that given A comma B comma C are positive integers, positive real numbers, and they also given that A plus B minus C by C is equals to A minus B plus C by B is equals to minus A plus B plus C by A. Okay, so these three values are equal, it seems. Okay, the result will be equal. So I am taking it, they already told that it is a positive real number. So every term I am equating that to 1. So individually I am taking, so A plus B minus C by C is equals to 1. Because I have given it is a positive real number. That's why I am equating every term with 1. Okay, now I am transposing this C to other side. A plus C minus A plus B minus C is equals to C. C is in division manner, so it will be, if you transpose to other side, that will be converted into multiplication. Now minus C you transpose, that will be A plus B is equals to C plus C. So it will be A plus B is equals to 2C. So this is our first expression. Okay, now next one I am equating to 1 because they told that it is a positive real number. So I am equating that to 1. Okay, so now first B I am transposing here. A minus B plus C is equals to B. Okay, now this minus B I am transposing to other side. A plus C is equals to B plus B. Okay, now A plus C is equals to B plus B is how much? 2B. So this is our second expression. Okay, now last one is also I am equating to 1. That is minus A plus B plus C by A is equals to 1. First I am transposing this A to other side. Minus A plus B plus C is equals to A. Now this minus A I am transposing to other side. B plus C is equals to A plus A. If you transpose minus A to other side, that will be plus A. So it will be B plus C is equals to 2A. So this is our third expression. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the value of A plus B into B plus C into C plus A by A, B, C value we have to find. This value we have to find. Okay, so A plus B value already you got as 2C. B plus C value you got as 2A. And C plus A value you got as 2B. By A, B, C I am writing as it is. Okay, now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. A into B into C will be A, B, C. By this denominator A, B, C I am writing as it is. Okay, so here C will get cancelled, B will get cancelled, A will get cancelled. So what is the result? We got it as 8. So therefore this value how much you got? Therefore A plus B into B plus C into C plus A by A, B, C value how much you got? You got it as 8. So this is our fourth solution and this is the last question in 11.3. Okay, now we are going to learn about identities. Some important identities we will learn. what are the important identities we will see, and how we got the identities also we will learn. So what is the first identity? So what is the first identity? Identity is nothing but a formula we will use in now in next problems we will use. Okay, so first one, a plus b whole square. So what is a plus b whole square formula? What is the identity of this? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is our first identity. Next one is what? In the same way we can write a minus b also. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is in the terms of minus. Okay, next term, next identity is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this is our third identity, very important formulas. And fourth one is what? A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so this is our fourth identity what we will use in next exercises. And last identity is x plus a into x plus b is equals to x plus a into x plus b is equals to x into x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So this is our last identity. So how many identities are there? 5 identities we are learning. Still more are there, but in your 8th class we are learning only this 5 identities. So what is the first one? A plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Next, fourth one is a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is our fourth identity. And last one is x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So these are our 5 important identities we will which we will learn in apply these formulas in next exercise. Okay, so first we will see how we got this a plus b whole square formula. Okay, so now first identity is what? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, they are telling the identity as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how you will get this answer we will see. Okay, so already we know 2 square is nothing but this 2 we have to multiply 2 times. Okay, 3 square is nothing but this 3 we have to multiply 2 times. In the same order, a plus b whole square is nothing but this a plus b we have to multiply 2 times. Okay, so this a plus b we have to multiply 2 times. Now it has been converted into binomial into binomial. Okay, so already you know how to multiply binomial to binomial. First term with whole term, second term with whole term we have to multiply. That is a into a plus b. Here plus is there, so plus b into a plus b. Okay, now a into a is what? A square plus a into b is ab plus b into a is ab plus b into b is b square. Okay, now a square is only one term. Now ab plus ab will be plus 2ab plus b square is also only alone. So how you got this identity? A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, we will see one example for this in terms of algebraic expressions. So I am taking it as 3x plus 4y whole square. Okay, so 3x plus 4y whole square. That means we have to multiply this expression 2 times. That is 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 4y. Okay, now next is multiply first term with the whole term, that is 3x into 3x plus 4y. And again plus is there, so plus 4y into 3x plus 4y. Okay, now multiply the terms. 3 3s are 9, x into x, x square, plus 3 4s are 12, x into y, xy, plus 4 3s are 12, y into x is xy, plus into plus plus, 4 4s are 16, y into y, y square. Now what are like terms to add? That is 9x square plus 12 will be 24xy plus 16y square. So you got this answer. Instead of doing this whole method, already we know that this 3x plus 4y whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, already we know that 3x plus 4y is in the form of a plus b whole square. So now I am applying the formula. I am not doing this whole multiplication. Just I am applying the identity for this. You will get the same answer again. Okay, so what is the question here? 3x plus 4y whole square. Now this expression is in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, so what is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. They have given in this way. Now we will convert this into this way. Okay, so now what is a here? A is nothing but 3x. A is equals to 3x. B is equals to 4y. Now just apply this, substitute this a value and b value in this expression. What is that? A square is nothing but 3x whole square plus 2 is a constant value. A means 3x. B means 4y plus b means 4y. For that you are having square, so I kept the square. Okay, so 3 square is 9 x square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, x into y is xy plus 4 square 16 y square. So you got the same answer. We got same answer. Here I have multiplied. Here I have applied the identity directly. Okay, so this is our first identity. What is that? A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So next one is also same. Okay, in the same order we will apply all the identities. So here a minus b whole square means a minus b whole square. This term we will multiply 2 times. So it has been converted into binomial to binomial. Okay, just simplify, you will get this answer. In the same way, third one, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. If you multiply these two binomial terms, the result will be a square minus b square. In the same way, a plus b plus c whole square. So a plus b plus c whole square, if you multiply, what is the square term is there? No, that means we have to multiply this how many times? 2 times. So that will be a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. So here we are multiplying trinomial by trinomial. So if you multiply these two terms, you will get this result. Okay. Now last one is also same. X plus a into x plus b. So what is the formula of x plus a into x plus b? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So if you multiply these two binomials, the result will be this one. So these are very important identities which we will use in next exercise. By not multiplying we will do the problems. We will not multiply any problem, just we will apply the identity and we will get the answer. Okay, so we will do one exercise. We will start our exercise 11.4. So first one we will see how to do. So in this exercise 11.4, first bit you see, first one. So what is the first one? That is 3k plus 4 into 3k plus 4. So here I am using identity, I am not multiplying the terms. So 3k plus 4 into 3k plus 4. So both are same algebraic expressions, both are binomials. So I can write, if it is 2 into 2, we can write in the form of 2 square. In the same way, 4 into 4 can be written in the form of 4 square. So 3k plus 4 into 3k plus 4 we can write in the form of 3k plus 4 whole square. Okay. Now this is in the form of which identity? That is first identity. What is that identity? This is in the form of a plus b whole square. A value is 3x, b value is 4. So this expression is in the form of a plus b whole square. So what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So here a is nothing but 3k and b is nothing but 4. Now they have given in this term, we have to convert into this term. So what is that? That is 3k plus 4 whole square can be written in the form of, this term we can write in this form. Now this term we are writing in this form again. So a square is nothing but 3k whole square plus 2 is a constant value, a value is 3k, b value is 4 plus b square is nothing but 4 square. Okay. Now 3k plus 4 whole square is equals to 3 square is 9k square plus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24k plus 4 square will be 16. So this is our answer of 3k plus 4 whole square. Okay, I have applied here which identity? A plus b whole square formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, next one we will see. So what is second one? Second one they have given as ax square plus by square into ax square plus by square. So again they have given in the form of identity only. So given ax square plus by square into ax square plus by square. Okay, already I told you 4 into 4 can be written as 4 square. In the same way, these two terms we can write in the form of ax square plus by square whole square. Okay. Now this is in the form of which identity? This is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is the a value in this? A value is ax square, b value is by square. Okay. Now this form you write. What is that? Ax square plus by square whole square is equals to a square. What is the a value? Ax square whole square. This is a value. For this a you are having one square. Okay. So plus 2 is a constant value. What is the a value? Ax square. B value is by square plus b square is nothing but by square whole square. Okay. So this whole term is b. For this b you are having square, so I kept the square. Okay. Now ax square plus by square whole square is equals to how much it will be? A square. X square whole square means x power 4 plus 2 as it is. Only one a is there. only one x square is there, one b is there, one x square is there, one y square is there. Okay, so plus b square y square whole square will be y power 4. So this is our second solution. Okay, so here remaining bits we will do it in next class. Thank you.